In this module, we will look at covenants. Covenants are legal obligations imposed in a deed to do a positive act, known as a positive covenant, or to refrain from doing something, a restrictive covenant. The person who is burdened by the covenant is referred to as the covenantor, and the person with the benefit of the covenant is known as the covenantee. The original covenantee can always enforce the covenant against the original covenantor under the doctrine of privity of contract. However, in order for the covenantee's successors in title to enforce the covenant against the original covenantor, the benefit of the covenant will have to pass to the new covenantee so that they can enforce the covenant. Furthermore, if the covenantor sells their land, then the burden of the covenant will also have to pass to them so that they remain subject to the covenant. Different rules apply at common law and in equity as to the passing of the benefit and burden of covenants. It should be noted that these rules and the following apply to freehold land. Different rules apply to leasehold land when the reversion or the lease are transferred.